Oh! Put it down there.
Push out. Fall on us. All right.
Does that light help?
Huh?
I said, does that light help? From his phone.
Push. Got it. Got it.
You did it?
Good job.
You got me a plumber?
Scoop up.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Yeah, that's what he's called.
That's all you know. All the tools are screwdrivers.
He knows hammer. There's hammer and screwdriver.
Okay. Okay.
I'm recording it. He's like legit helping.
Okay. So if your mommy and daddy buy this house, tell them not to look under here.
It's Logan's work.
Just our secret.
Look at him.
Yeah, you did it. Very
Scoop
good.
it
Thank
though.
you.
That was actually really good.
Screwdriver.